Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly see what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at the moment we saw this big pullback to the downside. No worries because we were expecting the price to hold this area, okay? But you can see as soon as you broke this support, it just came all the way down, okay? But I was actually expecting something like this because if we didn't hold this, I told you that we are making this higher low formation, okay? Higher low formation. Now, what I expect for Bitcoin to do is simply, if you look at this formation that it's creating, I mean, it came down, up, down, up, down. Now, if we can have another pump towards the upside, then we can see that, it's making this beautiful ascending triangle pattern. Now, this is a bullish pattern overall, but I've seen some YouTubers say that this is a bullish pattern, but I've seen some YouTubers say that this is a bearish pattern where it's a continuation pattern can come towards the downside. Well, that all depends. If it does break this support level, then obviously it's going to come towards the downside, okay? But if it breaks the resistance, then it's going towards the upside. So how would you know that? You will know that by, if you see a candle close over this level, which sits at 44,616. Okay, you see a candle in the daily time frame close above this level, and obviously the price can go towards the upside. But if you see a candle close below this resistance, okay, this support level, right over here somewhere, or maybe right over here, or right over here, okay, then yeah, obviously the price can come towards the downside. But now, if it does come to the downside, let's say it breaks that support level, and if you go to the monthly time frame, okay, then if it does break that level, you can clearly see what Bitcoin is doing. Whenever it is in between this white and the yellow line, it just stays in this area and makes higher lows formation until you have this break. Okay, same goes over here. Stays in between those areas, then we have a break. Exactly same thing. We have a break. Okay, so now if Bitcoin can just remain and just slowly, make higher low formation and then break towards the upside, it's exactly doing what it has done previously of the Bitcoin chart. Okay, but if we do see it break this major yellow trend line, which is the support line, yeah, the price can come down, but it is breaking this beautiful pattern that it has created for itself. Okay, so I mean, I'm just going by this pattern because I can see where the support levels are. This is the Corona dump right over here. So I'm not really gonna count this because we had a major sell-off because when the Corona hit the market. Okay, now over here, uh, we might, there can be a panic, maybe because of the war, or could be whatever the reason can be. We can have a panic and we might break this support level, which sits at 36,239, and the price can come below. But I believe if it does that, you will have a very similar scenario what happened in the Corona dump, okay? Or a quick recovery to the upside. But if it does come towards the downside, just think about this. If it does come towards the downside, we can just measure this move right over here, okay? Okay, and you can see where the 0.236 level is sitting right over here at 34,989. But if it does break this level, then expect Bitcoin to come to, let's see, let's be a little bit accurate. Yeah, expect Bitcoin to come all the way down to VIG down to zero point 0.5 level, okay? But if that doesn't happen, if it doesn't break this support line, then you are gonna expect Bitcoin to do something what it did in its previous run, create something like these kind of patterns, just make higher low formation, exactly what it can do in between the white line and the yellow support line. But if it does break towards this downside and comes to the, maybe the low 20,000, who is not gonna buy those levels, you know? So a lot of people, you know, are waiting in these areas right over here. A lot of people are waiting in these areas to accumulate, okay? So if Bitcoin does break this support line, let me just draw it. If it does break, then yeah, it will take a bounce from here, then come down, come at least till here, okay? Or maybe create something like a falling wedge kind of formation. Okay, this is the only scenario I can look at, and then continue from maybe break it and continue over here. This is one another scenario what I can look at. But if it doesn't break this support line, if it doesn't break the 36,000 or the 34,000, 34 to 36,000 levels, then expect something very similar that can go on like over here, okay? But in the shorter term time frame, let me see what's going on. Like a quick daily time frame, okay? So you can see in the daily time frame, you know, and this is your first indication. If Bitcoin breaks this support level, then yeah, it will come and bounce over here because this is the long-term support level, right? At 36,000, right over here, 36,293, 39. But if you see something like that, okay, then this is an ascending triangle. It's a bullish pattern. It's a reversal pattern, exactly like over here. When Bitcoin was, you know, coming down, broke this support level, came down over here, it created this falling channel, falling wedge, and then eventually it broke out to the upside. So you can see whenever Bitcoin makes these kind of patterns, let me show you really quick. These patterns, see, this is a bearish head and shoulder pattern. We had a price target towards the downside. Okay, and you can see Bitcoin, when it broke down, this was the price target, but it came all the way down over here. Okay, like a sell-off, panic sell happened, and then we made this beautiful falling wedge formation. Once we broke out, we went towards the upside. So whenever Bitcoin makes these kind of, you know, formations like these same scenario over here, bearish head and shoulder pattern, it comes, you know, accumulations takes place, and if it keeps the support level intact, then a breakout happens towards the upside. Okay, so keep an eye on this ascending triangle formation that it has formed, and this can tell you the story what will happen. This triangle, what it's forming right now, is very important, and the 46,000 levels and the 36,000 level. Okay, it's just playing in this box formation. I hope this brought you some insight and some new information. If you like these kind of you know, like explanations, just hit the like button because I know I need to make more of these videos for you guys. And hit the like button because that's a confirmation statement. I'll be back to making these videos, okay? And subscribe to my channel, guys, okay? I'm almost there with my 1,000 subscribers, so help me reach 1,000, okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.